ever procrastinated before? Yeah, great. And raise your hand and if you ever tried to solve your procrastination in the past. Okay, a lot of people, okay. And raise your hand, let's say if you want to be more productive or want to make a decision faster. Okay, so tonight I'm going to share with you a really practical tool to help you and solve the procrastination forever. And but before I share about the tool, I'll share about a quick story about it. So about a few years ago, and at that time I was in my downturn of life. So I was frustrated because I set so many goals I want to achieve, but I have never achieved anything. So I was thinking about it to myself at what happened, and I talked to our coach, and he said, you have to figure out like how to. Looks like you procrastinate. You have to figure out how to solve your procrastination issue. I thought, yeah, but how can I do it? And so, by this coach is very qualified, and he has done over 10,000 hours one-on-one coaching and help the people achieve their goal. I said, that's amazing. I said, I wanted to learn how to do what he does. He told me one of the tools I'm going to share with everybody, and really practical as well to help you will solve procrastination forever. I'm going to write down something as well here. I think it is, let's see, where is it? Maybe. I'm going to write down, number one, I'm going to write down something called result. You can write down this called A, okay? That could be your, the action they need to take. That could be the current action, which is what you're currently doing. They could say. That could be the feeling you get from your current action. That could D, okay? That's all. You just only need A, B, C, D, then you are going to solve your procrastination. That's how. I'm really going to share with you how. Okay? So, real example about it. So, has anybody got any goal, any result you're trying to achieve? Anybody wanting to volunteer? Any result you're trying to achieve? Any result? Anybody?
Become a better public speaker.
Sorry?
Become a better public speaker.
Become a better, that's a result, okay? So, what is the action do you think you need to take to become a better public speaker? What action?
Come to Toastmasters more.
Come to Toastmaster often? Do you feel you have to come to Toastmaster? Do you think that you should come here more or?
Yeah.
Okay, more. So if you don't come to Toastmaster, what are you doing? What is the current action? What are you doing right now? If you don't come to Toastmaster, you have time, what do you do?
Watch the David Beckham documentary.
Sorry?
Watch the David Beckham documentary.
Watching the documentary. So, okay, when you watch a documentary, what feeling do you get? How do you feel about it? I'm sure, do you feel happy? Do you feel...
What is jealous?
Sorry?
Yeah, I feel happy.
You feel happy? Okay, simple. Very simple. I tell you the formula is very simple. Basically, it's why you should ask yourself that question, how does... Okay, I don't have a space, but I just tell you, you can write down as well. How does... right now, you wanted to come to Toastmaster be a more. That means the action is B. So how does come to Toastmaster help you feel more happy? Because right now, watching the documentary, which is what I'm doing, I'm sure you feel more happier than come to Toastmaster, yeah? That's why you don't come here more. So if you can ask yourself the question, how does come to Toastmaster help you feel happier? That's the feeling you want to get. By doing that one, you do something called they call value linking. That's the techniques. Because this one is important to you. Current action, which is a watch documentary. Why? Because you get a feeling, feel happy. And this one is important to you as well. But this one is more important to you. That's why you do this. You're not doing this. That's why you procrastinate when you come to Toastmaster. So if you can answer yourself about 100 times, okay, if you do 100 times, I guarantee you are going to come to Toastmaster, and you are not going to, when you have time, you are going to more likely to come to Toastmaster rather than watch a documentary. Because why? Because you are going to feel happier. Does that make sense? That's really simple. Because everything we do, and we do it because they have the feeling associated. Okay? It's a neuroscience. I don't need to go into much detail, but it's neuroscience. So when you ask yourself more questions, how does doing the action you take help you get more the feeling you want to get, you are going to feel more and more, and by doing one, you are more likely to do the action you need to do to help you achieve your goal faster. So that is the formula to help the people solve their procrastination forever. Anybody has any question, by the way? Have you got any question about this? Oh, what question do you have?
What is the difference between the current action
Yes.
C and from your current action D? So how does they differ?
Okay, so current action, so this one, let's say his result, you want to become the Toastmaster a bit more. I think a lot of people need to. The action when you take is to become the Toastmaster. The result, you want to be a better speaker. The current action he do is watch documentary. The feeling he get from watching documentary is happy. And so basically, the D means the feeling he get from doing the current action, which is watch documentary. So basically, what I do is, I just help him doing something called a value linking. Basically, link what he didn't do it. If he can get more feeling, feel happier to, come to Toastmaster. So he will come to Toastmaster more. Does it make sense? It's not complicated. It's just A, B, C, D.
Him and the Toastmasters. Bring sit down.
Yeah, Paul, do you have any question?
How do you make the end feeling better? I mean, if you want to,
How do you make a what?
if it's nicer to sit at home and watch Netflix versus come to Toastmasters, how do you
Okay,
make the
you gotta
feeling
find
happier?
the feeling, okay? People do everything because the feeling behind it. Watch Netflix or doing whatever, okay? Even make love, okay? Yeah, they have a feeling associated as well as feeling, okay? More people doing one thing, they don't do other is because one doesn't make them feel anything, will feel boring, and other make them feel more empowering. That's the emotion they want. So as long as you linking it, the action they take to the feeling they deserve, they are going to take the action guarantee, and the action is automatic as well. Yeah, it's become a habit. You will. Yeah. Any other question? This is some of the.
Let us take one example.
Sorry.
One example.
One example.
Yeah, professional. So you have to do something. Suppose, for example, you have your girlfriend
Yes.
and you have discussed that you will meet sometime later of the week, but you cannot do that. There is something stopping.
Yeah.
So that means you are procrastinating.
Yeah.
So how do you solve that problem?
I didn't answer your question, but I get it. So number one is you have to find the feeling.
Time's up.
Yeah. about the one. But if you want to learn more about it, I have some resource. I'm happy to share about anyone interested about it. Just need to talk to me. I will share with you the resource. I have some training video to help you solve this issue as well. Okay.